Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we are setting path of our PHP version, right? So now the time is to work on the specific version. If you want to set up the 7.4 version, so how to do this? It's very simple. So just go to the web browser. So let me close this out. Even I have opened some tabs, so I'm not closing this in the live in the behind the camera, because I don't want to confuse my students that in the previous video I opened something, but in the next video I removed these things, right? So that's why I'm not closing any of the stuff, so you will feel that you are sitting in the real classroom, right? Okay, just go here and you can set this out, like just go here and type php.net. Hope you are familiar with this one, because this one is a PHP official website, right? So just click on this and it will open the PHP official documentation, right? So here we are going to download a specific version of PHP. So just click on this download, and here they are displaying that 8.2, 8.2 and stuff like that. So I want to download this 7.4, right, for Windows. So just click on this Windows, okay, and wait for a moment. And yes, now it's displaying that 64 bits and their files and stuff like that, right? So just go here and find 7.4, go down, and yes, this one is contain 7.4 and I want to download this download source code, right? So just click on this, and yes, it's downloaded this out, right? And in my case I have already downloaded this, and it's 24 MB, and you don't need to worry about this, it will be downloaded instantly, right? In my case it's did in a few seconds. So here this one is a file, and just copy this out and go to the C drive. In the C drive you need to go to the Laragon, and in the Laragon you need to go to the bin directory. After this bin you need to go to the PHP directory, and also turn this off to avoid any of the problem, and paste this out, right? I pasted this out, and just go here and extract this out. I'm extracting this file here to run properly. Oh my god, it's extracting all of the folder, it's not containing any of the folder, so I need to recap into the folder. So just create me a folder of PHP 7.4, right 7.4, and here just wait for a moment to complete this process. And after this completion I will add all of these directories into this PHP 7.4 directory, because whenever I want to set up my path in the environment file, so I want to just try PHP 7.4, right? And believe me, you will feel very amazing, because it's quickly starting the PHP MySQL and PHP, right? As I did, I just click on this and it will instantly start all of the services. It's very faster. Okay, just select all of the ones and unselect these two ones, right? Copy them, and just not copy, just go back, select all of them and unselect these two one, and cut them out, and go to this PHP version and paste all of the stuff here, right? So now everything is in the PHP 7.4 directory, and here now I'm going to switch my PHP version to 7.4, right? So just go here, go to this env variable, environment variable, and here also make sure that our process is in the running, and yes, it's completed. So do this after the completion. So here environment file, and click on this path and click on this edit, right? So here we are running this PHP 8.1. So just click on this and change this with the 7.4, right? So it will locate to this 7.4 directory and find the 7.4. Okay, and okay, and okay. So just go here, go to this CMD and click on this enter, and here I'm going to check the PHP version. Okay, just type PHP version and hit enter, and it says that PHP is not recognize an internal or external command. Okay, just go here, and here we have added this in the PHP 7.4 directory, and it's containing the different files. Okay, just go here, go to the PHP 8.1. so here we have exe file, but in this 7.4 we don't have any exe file. So just go here, think 7.4 zip file. So just click on this, and we are going to download this 7.4 point. It's same for all of the one. I want to download this zip file, right, which will contain all of this stuff. You can also download this zip, right, which I download this source. So just go here and make sure that we have some exe files in this PHP. Just close this one, and yes, we have PHP exe files here. So just copy this out, go back 7.4 and delete all of the stuff in the 7.4, and paste your this zip file here, right? So it's in the process, it's deleting them out, and I'm pasting this out, right? So it's now out these two process. Okay, first it's going to delete this out, and then it's going to paste my 7.4.3 script, right? So, and yes, it's successfully removing, and yes, removed all of the files, and now my file is also added here. So let's wait for a moment, and I will do this again. Okay, I'm not cutting this out because maybe you download different file like mine, and you can simply learn that what's the mistake and how to overcome this out. Now this one is added, and our path is also added, right, because in the previously we added this out. So here just type php -v, hit enter, and boom, our 7.4 version is there. So in this way you can download any of your PHP version and install it into your Xampp, into not your Xampp, into your Laragon. I'm big fan of Xampp, that's why I'm thinking that install it into the Xampp, right? So now I'm big fan of this Laragon, and believe you will be also a big fan of this Laragon because it's much simpler, right? And now let's close this one, and in the next video I'm going to tell you that how you can quickly generate different type of application using this Xampp, not Xampp, using this Laragon. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. So I will meet you in the next one, and also share your feedback that how much valuable this series is. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye guys.